Hello, friends. I greet you in the name of God. How are you all doing? Is today the first time you are stopping by? You are welcome. My name is Deborah, and in this channel, I do DIY hairstyles for kids with natural hair. So, in this video, today, my role model is my last baby. I have three girls and she is the little one. So sometimes she doesn't sit for us to make her hair. So I'm I make it as quickly as possible with some simple hairstyles for her. So with this hairstyle, if you are in a hurry, if you are going to a party, church, and you are in a hurry, then you can make this simple hairstyle for her. When she's able to sit, you can use like 10 minutes to finish it. Yeah. So you see the hair is already washed, clean, and also moisturized. So we go ahead and then we start braiding. Yeah. So that's the back section, and we are going to braid very soon. With no time, we will finish it. Yeah. So I want to ask you, have you subscribed? Can we go? Yeah, so I have a tune for you so that you can enjoy some music and then watch to the end and see how my little cutie looks like. Okay? And if you think she's looking so good, please give me a like button, that's the thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section below. Will you try it on your little girl? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any hairstyle that you want something on a tutorial or anything, you can also drop your comment and then I will make that video too. So that's the middle section. I'm patting them into two, and then we do some cross and we add a rubber band to it. And if you want to know what is in my spray bottle, drop your comments. Yeah, to know what is in my spray bottle. So I spray the hair for it to be soft enough for me to manage it. And we can braid. So this is the front section. We part it into two. We just braid and add our beads. And there we go. We are almost done with our hair. Okay, so thank you so much for watching to this end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and also comment. Until I see you in our next video, I and my little girl Onya say bye bye and have a wonderful day, and may God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.